Get strong.
Have you ever seen a design that's this adorable and full of charm? Wait till you see how stunning it looks on apparel. Today, we're featuring our adorable cute girl in red dress design, the perfect mix of cuteness and style for your projects. Here's the PNG, high quality, detailed, and perfect for your print-on-demand projects. Just look at that expressive face and rich red tones that make it stand out. Now, let's see how this design shines when printed on apparel. Printed with Eco Solvent Heat Transfers, this design delivers vibrant colors, a smooth texture, and a professional finish, perfect for tees, hoodies, and tote bags. If you love unique and charming designs like this one, don't forget to check out our full collection for more ready-to-print Eco Solvent designs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.